instead of the automatic.
Yes.
What you see on the upper right is 3 astronauts on board Shenzhou 9, and the upper left is...
Upper left is the video from the Shenzhou 9.
Well, this is the image taken by Tiangong 1 camera of Shenzhou 9 spacecraft approaching the target vehicle.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is actually the image taken from that space lab about the approaching Shenzhou 9 spacecraft, which carried, of course, 3 astronauts. And hopefully, when they dock, the astronauts will come from that vehicle we see now into the vehicle where the image is taken. That is Shenzhou 9. That is Tiangong 1, of course. And the 2 space vehicles are 30 meters away from another. This is going to be the final step before they contact one another.
Now the vehicle-to-vehicle data link is working.
What kind of a data transfer is now going on between the 2 vehicles?
We have relative measurements of the relative speed, relative position, and also attitude. But all these depends on the microwave reader, the laser reader, and the CCD sensor. But both vehicles have measuring of their coordinates and others, such as the data from the inertial units and other instruments. So they can exchange their data, not only the data from the CCD sensors and the microwave and the laser readers, and other data can be transferred to each other.
Why do we need 3 kinds of measurements? That's laser, that's microwave, and also optic measurement.
This is a redundancy measure to ensure the safety and the reliability.
And we can see, of course, astronaut Liu Yang is holding a camera on her hand. She definitely wants to record this historic moment when she enters the space lab for the first time for Chinese astronaut and woman astronaut to do that.
Although this time is automatic docking, but Liu Wang, who will be in charge of the manual docking, is already sit in the middle seat. And also in the manual docking later, he will also sit in this position.
It looks like it is all routine operation, but it is not, because in the history of human spaceflight, there were problems when docking went wrong. So what could go wrong, John?
Well, there are many possible things can go wrong. One would be a malfunction of one of the instruments that monitors your position or angle. Another possibility is a malfunction of a propulsion system. In the Gemini program, there was one case in which an attitude control thruster was turned on and would not turn off. And it was a very dangerous situation. But they were able to disable the thruster and correct the situation.
And this is the Shenzhou 9 camera taking image of Tiangong 1. And now it's the other way around. The Tiangong 1 camera taking of Shenzhou 9 spacecraft. We can see from the 2 camera images that they're getting very close now.
Yes.
As Mr. Jiang said, there is some dangerous happening in the docking process, but the big difference from the last mission, we have 3 astronauts on board. If any unexpected thing happens, they can take over the control of the docking.
The astronauts can practice override and do it manually if anything wrong with the automatic procedure.
That's the beauty of having 2 alternative methods of docking.
Well, it seems they're about to dock.
Perfect.
Well, they have already docked. Tiangong 1 and Shenzhou 9, they have docked.